Hi guys, if you want to insert a picture watermark in Google Docs, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to the insert section and then click on watermark. And now from the watermark section, simply click here to select the image. And now to upload the watermark image, simply click on the browse button here. And now select the image which you want to insert as watermark. So for the example, I want to insert this image. So I will simply select it and then click on open. And now you can see the picture watermark has been inserted into the Google Docs pages. You can see. And from the formatting section here, you can select the watermark size. For that, simply click here and select whatever watermark size you want. If you want the bigger size, select the bigger percentage. Or if you want the smaller size, select the smaller percentage. You can see. Let's say I want to keep my picture watermark size 70%. So here I will simply type the 70% and then press enter, and the picture watermark size will be changed. And in case if you want to keep your picture watermark faded, you can keep this option selected. And if you uncheck this option, fading will be removed. I want to keep my watermark faded, so I will keep it selected. Here it is. And if you want to do more customization to your picture watermark, then simply click on this link, more image options. And now from the image options here, you can do all the customizations. From the adjustment section here, if you want to increase or decrease the opacity, you can do it from here. You can see. Similarly, you can increase or decrease the brightness and contrast. And to change the position of your watermark, simply go to the position section here. And from the quick layouts, you can change the position of your picture watermark. If you choose the position center left, your watermark is now in the center left. If you select the center, your watermark is in the center. Similarly, you can select any position you want. If you want to change your watermark size or rotate it in certain angle, for that, simply go to the size and rotation section here. And from here, you can set the size, width, height, or rotate it by certain angle from here. You can see. You can also increase or decrease watermark size by simply dragging it from this corner square icon here. You can see. If you want to increase the width, simply click on this middle square icon and drag it, and the width will be increased. If you want to increase the height, simply click on this middle square icon and drag it off, and the height will be increased. Also, if you want to rotate your watermark from here, simply click on this blue circle and rotate your watermark however you like. Let's say I want to keep it like this, so I will simply drag it off and the picture watermark will be rotated. And once you have done all the customization, simply click on this image options and also close the watermark section here. And then double click anywhere on the page. And now you can see your Google Docs page has a picture watermark. You can see you have a picture watermark on all your pages. Even if you add new pages in this document, it will have automatically a picture watermark. You can see it has a picture watermark. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily insert a picture watermark in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.